Greetings, friends. As always, it's an honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. What you see before you is a typical alloy wheel. They come on most of the newer vehicles these days, and they all use these decorative Acorn style lug nuts. And it's a real pain to try to get them started. This one isn't quite so bad, but if you suffer from fat finger disease like me, it's kind of hard to get your fingers in there and get them started correctly. And you certainly don't want to take your air gun and blast them in. You'll cross-thread them for sure. So I've come up with a solution for this. Friends, what you see here is a 3/8 nut driver. I wanted a 1/2-inch nut driver, but they don't seem to make such a thing, or at least I could not find one. So I did the next best thing. What I did is attached a 3/8 to 1/2-inch adapter, and I keep it on this tool. Now you can put whatever size socket you need to aid you with getting those Acorn nuts started. Put your Acorn nut in the socket, and now it's very, very easy to get those started without cross-threading them. Once you've got it started, then you can go in with your air gun if you want and snuggle them up. Now I never tighten them all the way with the air gun. I like to use my torque wrench to tighten them for specs. Anyway, this little setup will save you a lot of aggravation. I keep in the toolbox just like this with the 1/2-inch adapter permanently installed on it. And it's for the sole purpose of working with these Acorn style lug nuts. So that's all I've got, friends. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I'll post 2 videos to your left, of which I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my very trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe to my channel. So thanks again, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.